welcome to a new video on Talking Travel. All of you watch my videos, but a lot of you find it difficult to believe that I shoot a lot of my videos and photos all alone when I'm traveling solo. And I get a lot of comments like these. Well, so I thought, why not make a dedicated video, since so many of you have been requesting it for a very long time, tell you guys how exactly I managed to shoot a lot of my videos solo, whether it's photos, whether it's cinematic videos while I'm traveling. Now, it's not as tedious and as much of a big deal as it sounds, but if done smartly and if done with the right gear, then you can be one of your best own photographers. You don't have to depend on anyone. You don't have to awkwardly go ask anybody. You don't have to do any of that. It's just you, your camera, and your amazing gears. Alright, so let's quickly get started and into this video. Alright, now first things first, let's talk about the equipment, the basic gear that you guys need to be able to shoot solo. The first thing is a steady tripod. Now there are so many out there in the market that are really flimsy quality and can be really risky to mount your phone or your camera on, and I would really not recommend those. But I've got this one, and this is called as the Signipod by Skywick, and this guy is super sturdy. The best part also is that it is so tall, it can go so tall, it can literally go taller than me. Itna tall ja sakta hai. It can be used as a fake drone as well, which I haven't actually tried, but I should. And this is an amazing one. इस पे मैं अपना phone mount कर सकती हूँ on my small camera as well. Now here's another cool thing that it comes with, which is going to be the second thing that I want to tell you guys about, which is a Bluetooth button. This tripod comes with its own Bluetooth button. All you've got to do is connect this to your mobile on Bluetooth, and then that's it. आपको किसी को पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आपको बार-बार आपके phone पर आके timer set करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, because once you have your button in your hand, you can get as many pictures as you want just by the click of one button. And you can do the same with videos as well. You need to go to the distance you want to, you can go as far as you want to and get as many shots of yourself. आप same ये video mode में भी कर सकते हो. आपके mobile को video mode पे set करके hit the button to start recording and hit the button to then stop recording. Super easy. Alright, so the second super cool equipment that I have with me and that you guys can get your hands on is also by Skywick. This, my friends, presenting to you her. This is the AI face recognition pod, जो separately भी आप उसको use कर सकते हो, ये जो देख रहे हो आप, but मैंने इसको अपने tripod के ऊपर mount किया है just for some height. And this is the best thing that you can get as a solo traveler. I highly recommend this because this guy tracks your face. तो आप इसको सिर्फ hand gesture से ये चलता है. तो अगर आपने इसको ये gesture दे दिया, ये बंद हो जाता है ट्रैक करना, और आपने अगर ये किया तो ये आपके फेस को ट्रैक करना स्टार्ट कर देता है. This is the coolest device, guys. So you know those tracking shots, those walking shots where somebody actually needs to follow you to get those shots of you so that your video is not very boring and static. Well, now you don't have to get those boring and static shots even if you're shooting all by yourself, क्योंकि ये आपके फेस को ट्रैक कर सकता है और आप जहां चलेंगे ये पीछे आपके साथ चल देगा. Let me show you a quick demo. And now I'm going to turn it on. Now watch. It's actually turning with me. And then of course you can turn it back off by doing this. Super easy, right?
Alright, now here's a very important game changer in filmmaking or in shooting solo, or whether or not you're shooting solo, but in general in just making videos, which is the audio. I realized this very late in my journey, which was a huge mistake, but there I durust hai, right? So here's an amazing one that I've got. This one is by Digitech. There are a lot of good mic companies out there that you can explore and check, but I recently got this one from Digitech and it works wonders for me. It does exactly what I need it for. So basically it comes in this box and it has a receiver and it has two mics. Just say I use one when I'm recording solo. If I'm taking an interview of another person, then I can put the other one on them. It's super easy to use. ये रिसीवर को बस आपकी कैमरा पे लगाना है. Best thing is most of the mics only come with an adapter to just connect it to your DSLR or to your any of your cameras, but ये वाला lightning cable के साथ आता है, which means I can always connected to my iPhone as well. And if you don't have an iPhone, if you're an Android user, it also comes with a Type-C connector. So that's really thoughtful, that's really nice. If you're somebody who's starting out and just shooting using your handheld phone, this mic can be definitely a game changer. And then it comes with this mic, which is just like any other lapel mic. It has a magnet that you can put onto your clothes and there you go. इसके अंदर एक नॉइस कैंसिलेशन मोड है. मैंने इसको बहुत अलग अलग सेटिंग्स में ट्राई किया है, ट्रैफिक के बीच में फैन ऑन करके, AC ऑन करके. So I would highly recommend in investing in a very good quality mic so that even if you're standing at a distance or in a very noisy ambient place, you can get a crisp clear audio while you're shooting your videos. Also ये जितने भी products मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, I'm going to list all of them in my videos description, so don't forget to check it out. अगर आपको भी ये same products खरीदने हैं तो you can just head to the description, check out, click on the link, go to their website and order. And ये बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे products नहीं है. I'm giving you options which are super budget friendly as well, because if you're somebody who's starting out, I wouldn't recommend you or want you to just shell out so much money.
ओके अब ऐसा हमेशा तो नहीं होता ना कि हम जब ट्रैवल करते हैं तो हम बड़ा बैग पैक या कोई बड़ा बैग हर जगह लेके जा पाए. समटाइम्स यू जस्ट वांट टू कैरी अ बैग लाइक दिस. तो ऐसे में फिर ट्राइपॉड को रखे कहाँ पे, राइट? दैट इज अ बिग इशू. मेरे साथ हमेशा होता था. बट द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि मैंने जो आपको ट्राइपॉड दिखाया स्काईविक का सिग्नी पॉड, इसके साथ ये एक बैग टाइप आता है. सो ऑल यू गॉट टू डू इज जस्ट put it inside, close it, and you can literally tie this anywhere. Like I'm going to be tying it on my bag, and voila, you don't have to worry about it. Put it, and you can just go. Okay, now here's another super cool equipment gadget that I've got. It's this. इसका मुझे नाम नहीं पता, okay? But this basically sticks to any surface like glass or so, and you can just put your phone on this and you can shoot. So look at this. ये lock हो गया. And it comes with a ball head that can be moved. So you can basically just put your phone over here, move away, take walking shots of yourself. Of course, ये उस face recognition वाले pod की तरह move नहीं करता है, ये steady रहता है. But this is really cool and it's so small, it's so compact. If you're embarrassed to like carry big gadget around in public places, ये उसके लिए सबसे best है. You can just mount it wherever you want to do it on any glass surface. Just walk and get your own shots solo. Okay, now if you're somebody who does not want to invest too much, if you're just starting out, then let me tell you that you don't need any big fancy gear. Of course, for people who want to do a little bit more of advanced filmmaking or take cinematic shots, sometimes take some really good photos for some brands and so on, then you can probably use a DSLR. But if you don't want to use a DSLR, your handheld phone will just do the job, trust me. And iPhone is one of the best in the market to do the job. So it's very important to know कि इस iPhone के क्या आपको सेटिंग्स करने चाहिए ताकि it can give you the optimal results, because it's not just about having a phone in the hand, right? You need to use it very smartly. So here's a quick guide to some of the best iPhone video and photo settings that you need to do it right now. इसके screenshots लेते जाओ as I explain it to you. Okay, so now that you've seen the iPhone settings and you've done your grid lines and all of that, अब उस grid line के बीच में रहना भी तो important है, right? फोन का setting तो आपने कर लिया, but आप फोन के पीछे खड़े रहने वाले हो. Always use the back camera of your phone. Never shoot on selfie mode, guys. Please, that's like a ground rule. Thumb rule है वो. Never shoot on the front camera until and unless you're taking a selfie. But if you're taking like good quality videos, back camera से ही shoot करना. So how do you make sure कि you are in the center of the frame और आप ऐसे या फिर ऐसे नहीं दिख रहे हो? So here's a very quick simple trick that I usually do. So I currently just found a leaf. I'm going to go and place it after seeing the center on my camera. Okay, तो मैंने कैमरा में आके देख लिया that leaf looks pretty much in the center, and all I would do is just go and stand over there. I'll make sure that that is my marking point so that I do not move out of the frame. It's a very simple trick and I use anything that is available in the background. कभी मैं चाहती हूँ कि कुछ लोगों को दिखे नहीं कैमरा के अंदर, तो मैं कुछ बहुत छोटा सा रख देती हूँ. जैसे मैंने ये लीफ दिखाए, अगर मैं मूव हो जाऊँ ये लीफ दिखेगा भी नहीं कि वो यहाँ पे है. But that's the whole idea, to maintain yourself in the center of the frame always when you're shooting solo. ओके, कोई भी वीडियो शूट करने के लिए दो तरीके के शॉट्स होते हैं. एक होते हैं ए रोल शॉट्स ए रोल शॉट्स का मतलब होता है कि वो शॉट्स जिस पे आप कैमरा के पीछे खड़े हो और कैमरा पे बात कर रहे हो. शॉट्स ऑफ यू बेसिकली डूइंग talking to the camera, which are necessarily called as A-roll shots or links to camera. Make sure that these shots that you take, even if you're taking them handheld, तो आप इसको 1 पे या 2 zoom in पे कभी भी ना ले. If you're doing it by yourself using your handheld phone, always make sure you do it on 0.5 so that you get enough of the ambience and yourself talking and as clear and good quality video as possible. And if you're not doing it using your hand like I just showed you with your phone, and if you're just mounting it on a tripod like I am doing right now, like this one is an A roll, then make sure कि आप एक अच्छी framing करें, आप एक अच्छी setting पे framing करें, so that the background looks appealing, it looks nice. And if you're ever doubtful about the background, then just choose a plain white or a plain background that does not clash with whatever color you're wearing. So that is just to be as safe as possible. And make sure you are looking directly into the camera. आप यहाँ वहाँ ना distract हो, ज़्यादा आवाज ना हो, ज़्यादा लोग ना हो frame में, लोग आपके frame से pass ना करें. These are just some basics for A rolls to keep in mind. And also another very important thing to keep in mind is कि जब आप A rolls कर रहे हो, यानी कि आप links to camera करने वाले हो, तो make sure थोड़ा pre plan कर लो कि आप क्या बोलने वाले हो कैमरा में, ताकि आप ज़्यादा fumble ना हो और आपके बहुत ज़्यादा retakes ना हो. It's just a simple trick that's helped me over the years. मैं अपनी scripts पहले लिख लेती हूँ, but मैं इतने detail में script नहीं लिखती कि वो इतना animated लगे कि मैंने by heart करके मैं कुछ बोल रही हूँ. I speak from my mind, I speak from my heart, but मुझे एटलीस्ट टॉपिक्स पता होते हैं, मुझे इंफॉर्मेशन जगहों की पता होती है कि मुझे किस चीज पे बात करनी है या क्या बोलनी है. ऑल्सो सो दैट आई डोंट वेस्ट टाइम व्हेन आई एम शूटिंग और आई डोंट फॉरगेट समथिंग व्हिच इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू शूट. द सेकंड टाइप ऑफ शॉट इज बी रोल शॉट्स. बी रोल शॉट्स वो होते हैं जहां पे आप कैमरा में डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर रहे हो, या तो वो आपके सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स है, या आप चल रहे हो, या आप कुछ कर रहे हो उसके शॉट्स, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग इनटू द कैमरा. और द बी रोल शॉट्स आर ऑफ शॉट्स ऑफ द प्लेस. Just if you're shooting a property, then shots of the rooms, of the gardens, of the ambience, of the vibe. If you're shooting a cafe or an internal space, then jagah ke shots. If you're shooting just travel videos, then just shots of the scenery. Basically, those are called as B-roll shots. So when you're shooting these B-roll shots, make sure that you're always holding your phone steady and धीरे धीरे चल के shots लो. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है एक हाथ में फोन को पकड़ते और चलते चलते फटाफट शॉट लेते. That's not how shoots are done. Hold it steadily with both your hands. Your hand is the best gimbal that you have. Slowly walk and try and keep your movements heel to toe, so that you're not giving too much jerk. iPhone in itself बहुत ही stability, internal stabilization के साथ built in है, तो आप थोड़ा भी जब jerk आता है वो अपने आप को stabilize कर लेता है. But still try and keep the phone as stable as possible and try and get as many different angles of the shot as possible. एक ही shot के एक ही जगह के 5 अलग variations और variety हो सकती है. एक हो सकता है pan in shot, एक होगा pan out shot, एक होगा राइट टू लेफ्ट पैन या लेफ्ट टू राइट पैन, एक होगा टॉप टू बॉटम पैन, एक होगा सुपर वाइड शॉट और एक होगा एक बहुत ही डिटेल्ड टाइट शॉट. So remember to get all of these different various angles of shots ताकि when your editor or when you are editing it, that you have so many different angles to play with and that your video looks dynamic and not boring. Okay guys, now there are two things that are supposed to be your golden thumb rule, and I call them golden thumb rule because this is literally non-negotiable. ये दो चीजें अगली बार जब भी आप कोई वीडियो ले रहे हो प्लीज इसको याद रखें. Number one is always use the back camera of your phone. Never shoot travel videos or any videos actually from the front of your phone because the quality will just go for a toss. जब आप उस वीडियो को बड़े स्क्रीन पे देखोगे वो बहुत पिक्सेलेट होगा और वो बहुत गंदा दिखेगा. So always shoot with the back camera and मोबाइल की सेटिंग्स तो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको दिखा दी है. Rule number 2. Now, this is a super simple one, but I know a lot of you don't do this. I have personally seen so many people not do it, and I get really annoyed and tell people to do this when they are shooting. That is to clean your camera before taking photos or videos. Yes, I know it's super simple, but it can always go overlooked. So please याद रखना, हमेशा एक फोटो या कोई भी वीडियो लेने से पहले आपका हाथ नेचुरली आपके कैमरा पे जाना ही चाहिए to clean your camera, because if it's clean, you will get crisp perfect photos, because there are high chances when you're shooting with your mobile phone जो हमेशा हमारे हाथ में रहता है उस पर कुछ ना कुछ कैमरा पे लगना is like unavoidable, right? So always make sure that you clean your camera before taking photos or before taking videos. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. These are some of the easy, simple gears that I use for filming all of my travel videos and clicking my photos while I'm traveling. Of course, the list of things and the gears that I've given you in this video are just some very basics, something very simple to use. But of course, if you are somebody who is, want to get more creative or a little more advanced in terms of a creator, then of course you can use better gear, you can use more gear. You can use a DSLR camera, which I usually do. I carry one with me, as you can see here. So I have my camera with me, which I use for taking a lot of shots of the place, like I told you, the b-rolls, and also another extra lens if I want to get some wide shots. This is if I want to get some tight shots. And I use this mainly for taking photos of the places, because a lot of the work that I do is brand work, and that requires a little bit of an edge over a lot of other videos that I create. So that was it. But it does not always mean that the more the better. You can always do amazing, great quality of work with whatever you have. And mera hamesha se ye manna hai, it's not the equipment, it's the composition, the framing, and the lighting that plays a very important role in any kind of video making. So I hope this video really helped you guys and answered your question ki who shoots a lot of my travel videos while I'm traveling alone. मैं खुद ही shoot करती हूँ उनको, and आज मैंने आपको बता दिया कि मैं उसको कैसे shoot करती हूँ. If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos where you want to understand something about filmmaking, about travel content creation in specific, then please leave those questions for me in the description of this video, so I can try and create more videos for you guys. I loved creating this video, and I hope this is super, super helpful for a lot of you. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and found it helpful. Share it with your friends who you think need to know these simple yet very, very amazing techniques. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. See you in the next one. Bye.